YouTube channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do the most. And please share. Please share. Tell your friends about this so we can go higher. But I'm here today with a hair video, as you saw in the description. This hair is sponsored, well, the video is sponsored by YOLOVA, and this is a bone straight wig from YOLOVA, and it is a 13x4, 180% density on this baby. So if you want to see how I installed it and achieved this little cute look, please carry on watching the video. Thank you. This is the YOLOVA packaging. Look how cute it is. Look at me, look at me. Okay, what's inside is obviously the hair and lashes, wig cap, you know the word. Okie dokie. So we have the got2b glue and a little brush thing. Bonnet's off. Okay, let's not come for my hair, please. Angahle nje. How ngisazoqaqa ngibe muhle. Kube ngathi bengingekho nje na. Okay, now we are going to put the glue we hairline so we can push out the curly hairs and stuff like that out of the way, and we can have, you know, an easy application. Of course. Look at me do my thing, you don't know. Okay, this is where the small brush comes in. We are brushing back the hairs instead of like obviously pushing it back with your finger. We want it all back properly, fools. So that is what I'm doing as of right now. We are going in with our hair dryer to push those hairs back. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now. The packaging, very nice, very cute or whatever. And inside is obviously the hair. It comes in a plastic, as you can see. The packaging for hair is actually really nice. It comes in this net thing and lentule ubamba the lace and everything, and nje go clean, go right. Look at how long 22 inches is. Like, on me, I'm a short gal, but it's just giving. It really is giving. There are 3 clips inside to secure your wig. You can also tighten it if you want to, but I already did that. So nje sengininkhombisa nje ngaphakathi ngibone ukuthi injani. And then against my skin, chill. I would have loved to bleach it, but yeah. What I'm doing now is I'm taking my stick foundation and I'm putting it on the lace because I want it to give like that bleach knot effect without actually doing it. And I'm going to put got2b inside like the foundation part of everything and just stick. You get me? You feel? Now that my wig is secure, I'm going to be using my razor and I have my scrunchie to put my hair back, and obviously the razor is to cut the lace. Yeah guys, so I cut. As you can see, there's one piece that's bigger, the other piece is smaller. Obviously the second piece I did it last, but it was just a lot and I was very scared, but it worked out. I cut my hair into sections and now I'm going to use the toner to clean out any excess oils. Yeah, because that's actually important. The putting of glue, I did it 3 times. I just didn't want to put all 3 parts in one video because that's going to be a really long video. But intervals, obviously it took about 10 minutes, and I sometimes use the hair dryer to quicken up everything. But yeah, this is what I did. I used the ends of the razor to spread out and get an even layer of glue. Apparently, to get that melted lace look, you have to comb it out and press the glue into the hair and into the lace. So that is exactly what I'm doing. It really worked. Since we cut sections, it's going to be easier now to cut and go get hairline yako. So this is exactly what I'm doing. Some parts I did off camera because I was just too scared. Starts obviously from like the middle of my nose and going up so I can get a perfect straight line. This was very easy, and I guess I enjoyed this part. What I'm spraying on my hair is actually water. I just used this spray bottle because I did not have any other spray bottle at that time, and I'm trying to loosen up the wax because I don't like when the wax is just there and you can just see it. So I'm just, you know, doing things like how I've seen them being done, and it worked. It really did work. So in the spray bottle, I have setting spray and heat protectant so that when I go in with the iron, it doesn't damage my hair. I wanted a more natural line, so instead of concealer I used foundation, and it worked pretty well. Can we love it how natural this looks? I really love this. I really love this look. I laid my baby hairs with wrap mousse from K, and I got that product from Diskim if I'm not mistaken, and it worked. To make sure my edges don't lift or do anything funky, I put got to be glue on it. It does a lot, so just be wary of that, but yeah, it does what it needs to do. Now it's time for my silicone and my straightener to do the magic. I'm first gonna go through my hair with my hairbrush in case of any knots. Then it's obviously time for the heat protector and the setting spray, just to make sure that my hair is extra protected because I really want this hair to last. The bottle says 2 pumps, and that's enough, and it actually was enough. And I mean, my hair is so shiny and so silky. Hi, shame. There's 70 since I've been guys. Going in with my kid styling moves. Of course. I'm just gonna put that on the top. Yeah, bonji. Really, I've had some because I'm from so that is the reason why I am using mousse. And you know, no, let me not talk too much because you're gonna see it. You're gonna have. Emisengena nge-hot comic susikushube ngempela guys nizobona i-finished product. Actually niyayazi, what the hell. But yeah, I just want that American look, yabo. Kuze yabona edge yami ngiyenzile ngiyisebenzele kanzima ivele yabo. No guys, is it giving scalp? Because from where I'm standing, it's giving scalp. It's giving American. It's giving Aaliyah. Okay, not Aaliyah Pela, but it's giving you know. Thank you for watching it again. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.